Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea whatsoever what is in this package, so we're going to experience that together. Though you guys have already seen the thumbnail, so you probably have a better idea than me in this time ether. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon and get your hands on one of these cool stickers, there's of course a link down in the description. Your support would absolutely mean the world to me. Let's go ahead and make a quick cut right here, all the way to the corner, and then another one right here. Get into the side there. Paper towels. A Benchmade. I believe I know what this is. Yeah, and we have a note here. Fantastic. Let's see. Guys, the note's just in the future. So when you leave a note, it tells me, I mean, a lot of times I tell people, like, leave your Instagram, leave your email. And it's not just so that I can, you know, give you plug your Instagram on camera. It's so that when I sort these, I know exactly how to contact you when it's time to come back. So I do very much appreciate you guys who leave notes. Let's see here. Oh, here's his Instagram. Hang on. Let me fold this up so you guys can see just the Instagram and nothing else. There we go. My Instagram is triple_E_Insta. So give that person a follow. It's because people like them that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Really enjoy your channel, and I'm pumped to see one of my knives on your channel. This end enclosed, please find the Benchmade Osborne 9400 as promised. He said I would definitely appreciate a shout out on your channel. Yes, absolutely. Please follow him on Instagram. Absolutely. Oh wait, no, he has a YouTube channel too. Hang on, guys. If he's got a YouTube channel, then yeah, 100%. Let me show you guys. It's fairly similar to his Instagram here. We're gonna focus. YouTube channel Triple E EDC. So check out Triple E EDC on YouTube and absolutely subscribe to him. All right. Oh yeah, and let's see here. I believe he's going to be doing a giveaway on this knife. So if I were you, I would go subscribe if you want to. I don't know exactly when he's going to do it, but it's going to be soon, probably after I review it and get it back to him. But yeah, if you're interested in that, go subscribe to him. Okay. Here we go. The 940 is not a new model, but I just somewhat recently discovered that Benchmade had decided to do an automatic version of this knife, which is, the only way that I can describe it is it's an automatic knife that I didn't know that I wanted. Ready? Oh, safety. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Wow, that's really, man, that's awesome. Okay, I'll be leaving links for this exact knife down in the description. You can, as far as I am aware, get this knife right now. It is a 940. It's lightweight and blade profile excellence, you know, all the combinations of the different, you know, ratios and stuff. It's all there. It's just automatic. So if you can carry an automatic knife where you live and you like the 940, this is pretty nice. Now, I know that these are a bit pricey. It's a steal on this guy. Probably S30V. Yeah, S30V. Yeah, I imagine these are a bit pricey, but boy, what an excellent little EDC auto, for sure. Nice and snappy, too. Bam. That is, I actually like this a lot more than I thought I would. Definitely would have preferred a different clip, but whatever. Benchmade clips are modular. This is really cool. I'm actually really excited about this. I kind of thought I'd be like, yeah, it's 940, but it's auto. No, I think I like it more than the than the regular one. That's awesome. Okay. I don't know that this needs to be any more than what it is right now. Like I said, make sure to check out his Instagram and his YouTube channel, especially if you want to win this guy, because it sounds like he's going to do a giveaway. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out, and if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.